This is the Blz outdoor vent hood. The two vent motors can be individually controlled from these two switches. When set to high, each motor produces 1,000 CFMs of venting power. The combined 2,000 CFMs do a great job at keeping your outdoor kitchen free of smoke. The Blz vent hood is 42 inches wide and 36 inches deep. Because other vent hoods are not this deep, they struggle to clear the smoke that escapes from the front of the grill when the lid is suddenly opened. And the power of its high CFMs also allows you to mount it higher than you would for other standard hoods. The two motors on the Blz vent hood are easily reversible, allowing you to install the vent hood to exhaust from either the rear or the top of the hood. The Blz vent hood comes with 4 halogen lights for ease of evening cooking, and the lights can be dimmed to your desired brightness. The control knobs feature an illuminated red accent, and they can collapse flush to the vent hood for a sleek appearance. To make cleanup easy, the stainless commercial style baffles are removable and dishwasher safe.